Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about an important tax related document which everyone should be aware of, whoever has an income from any source. Its name is Form 26As. Form 26As is also known as the Annual Consolidated Statement, which contains all tax related information of the taxpayer. It also contains details of tax which is deducted at source and details of advance tax paid. Form 26AS is a very important financial document that assists you before filing ITR. So first let's see where can we find this. To locate your Form 26AS, you just need to log in to the new e-filing portal of the Income Tax Department. The URL is as below. The 26AS is available to the taxpayer through the registered account of the taxpayer on the tax portal. Now, what is the importance of Form 26AS? First, Form 26AS helps you verify the tax credits and the computation of income before filing the income tax return. Secondly, it enables one to check that the tax deducted or collected by the deductor or collector respectively has been deposited on time. Apart from this, Form 26AS also reflects details of Annual Information Return AIR, which is filed by different entities based on what an individual has invested or spent, mostly high value transactions. There are times you do not remember any high value transactions during the time of filing return. This document saves you from missing that. The taxpayer must make sure the claims in Form 26AS match with all the taxes you have paid. There must be no difference in the TDS amount being claimed in your tax return and the TDS amount updated in Form 26AS. This can be verified from Form 16 from your company or Form 16A normally from your investments. Form 26AS is a complete profile of the taxpayer which will have comprehensive information on taxes paid, details of pending and completed income tax proceedings, the status of income tax demand and the status of income tax refund and others. Now let's try to locate this form on the portal and we'll see different section of this Form 26AS. Let's go to the URL as shown on the screen. Enter your user ID, that can be your PAN, Aadhaar or any ID you would have created along with a password. Navigate to header option, e-file, income tax returns, view Form 26AS. Once you land to 26AS page of traces, click on proceed. Click on view tax credit Form 26AS link at the bottom of page. Select assessment year. To view current financial year tax deducted, assessment year would be the next year. Select view type HTML or text. Click on view download button. We can expand different sections now to view the details. So let's see which section holds what information. In part A, we can see details of TDS including for Form 15G or 15H which is submitted, and for any transactions pertaining to sellers of immovable property. Part B depicts details of tax collected at source. In Part C, we can see details of tax paid other than TDS or TCS. In Part D, we can see if there is any refund in the financial year. Part E shows details of all high value transactions such as mutual fund purchases, property purchases, bonds, etc. Part F has details of TDS on sale of immovable property for buyer of property. So if you default in your TDS, your details can be seen in Part G. If we know this section, we can easily understand and read our Form 26AS and see where our taxes have been deducted and paid to income tax. That's all from my side. Thank you all for watching.